Welcome to the weekly weather briefing for June 10th, 2013. This is the National Weather Service in Spokane, Washington, and we will discuss the weather for the upcoming week. The weather pattern for the next 7 to 10 days looks pretty typical for early June. Tuesday will be breezy with the arrival of a cold front. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday will be a bit cooler than average, with a threat for showers and thunderstorms for portions of the inland northwest. We expect a return to warmer and drier weather for the weekend. The potential for thunderstorms may return for early next week. We are entering the wildfire season. On whole, the inland northwest has been drier than average this spring, and we will likely be entering the fire season earlier than we have the last couple of years. Land management agencies around the region have told us that grasses and fine fuels south of Interstate 90 are dry enough to carry fire given the right weather conditions. This area is shaded in orange on this map. North of the interstate, a few spots on south-facing slopes below 3,000 feet are dry enough to burn, but in general, grasses are greener north of I-90. It will likely be a few weeks before timber and heavier fuels will be dry enough for increased fire danger. For the next 5 to 7 days, Tuesday looks to be our breeziest day. Sustained winds of 15 to 20 miles per hour will be common over eastern Washington Tuesday afternoon and evening. Gusts up to 30 miles per hour will be a possibility over the upper Columbia Basin, the West Plains, and around Ellensburg. Fortunately, Tuesday will not be particularly hot or dry, but if a grass fire were to ignite, it could spread quickly. The weather pattern for Wednesday through Friday will be cooler with the potential for showers. The pink line on this graphic shows the orientation of the jet stream Wednesday through Friday. A slow-moving upper-level low-pressure system will be responsible for our cooler and showery conditions. Here are a pair of graphs showing the 7-day forecast for Wenatchee and Spokane. High temperatures are the red graphs, and we are calling for below-average temperatures Tuesday through Friday. The best chance for showers in the Wenatchee area will be Wednesday and Thursday. For Spokane, the best chance for showers will be Thursday into Friday. Temperatures for the weekend should be warmer than average. On Wednesday, isolated thunderstorms will be possible over the Cascades and Okanagan Highlands. There will be the potential for thunderstorms over the 2012 burn scars, but we are not expecting heavy rain with thunderstorms on Wednesday. The atmosphere will not be particularly moist, and any thunderstorms that do develop should be relatively fast-moving and track to the northeast. Thursday will probably be the day to watch most closely this week. Thursday has the best chance for clusters of thunderstorms, and thunderstorms may be slow-moving. At this time, the most concentrated thunderstorm activity looks to be over northeast Washington, but thunderstorms may be possible over the 2012 burn scars. The potential for thunderstorms will move east of the burn scar area on Friday. At this time, Friday does not look to be particularly active for thunderstorms, with only isolated activity possible over the Idaho Panhandle and northeast Washington. So let's review our thunderstorm potential this week over the burn scar areas of central Washington. The overall flash flood risk is low this week, but Thursday will be the day to watch. There is a small chance of thunder on Wednesday, but storms should not be heavy rainmakers and will likely be fast moving. For Thursday, thunderstorms will have the potential to be slower and more concentrated. By Friday, the threat of thunderstorms will likely push east of the burn scars. Here's the 8 to 14 day outlook issued by the Climate Prediction Center for June 18th through the 24th. This outlook calls for at or slightly below average temperatures and higher than normal chances for precipitation. So in summary, Tuesday afternoon and evening will be breezy. With grasses cured south of Interstate 90, there will be an elevated potential for rapidly spreading grass fires. Wednesday through Friday will be cooler than average with a threat of showers and thunderstorms, and the weekend will likely be warmer then average and mainly dry. If you have any questions, please send us an email to the address above. We welcome your feedback and thank you, and we'll see you next week.